And questions are welcome if they are brief. Yes, Mr.
A quick question. I mean, in one slide you saw that JAX is something like 500 or something. What do you mean? So you start with then you dump in 500 electrons into the system?
Yep, that's what we do. We just put in a bunch of electrons. So
that's a huge number.
So I first started out, that's why I did that. I started around here, and I got this, and I thought that it would kind of come back up in a parabolic, so I wanted to try to find that minimum energy. And as I kept going, it kept going down, until I just started dumping in tons of electrons. So I found the minimum, but is it physically relevant? Not really, so it's just kind of what it is.
Okay, let's thank Sam once again. And we have 2 talks for 10 minutes. So next presenter is Aaron Fardev, who is also in MNT
10 minutes.
program.
20 minutes.
You better plan to finish 10 minutes. And I suggest that we make a group photo before leaving, after all presentations. So he will be